Balikan na natin sila Madam at Paul doon.
The mother of all Asia Tower of Peace was constructed atop the plateau's highest point with an elevation of 148 meters above sea level, overlooking the Verde Island Passage, reputed to be the center of marine biodiversity of the world, as she welcomes all domestic and international seafaring vessels entering and seeking refuge in the serene, calm waters of Batangas Bay. Its long-term plan is to create a walkable, friendly community with covered pathways interconnecting all the buildings and religious theme park attractions, landscape gardens, and waterways planted with different species of shade and fruit-bearing trees.
Welcome to Monte Maria, Batangas City! Guys, ulitin ko lang, yung glass walk na yon hindi pa siya ayos. Kaya hindi pa pwede pumunta doon. So guys, tapos na kami dito sa Monte Maria International Pilgrimage and Conference Center. Bali, mag-aanap naman kami ng ibang lugar dito sa Batangas City. Thank you!
2 hours later.
At hindi na nga kami nakalibot sa iba pang lugar sa Batangas dahil medyo hapon na din kaya napag-usapan namin na umuwi na.
Merienda muna kami guys. Then ang plano, balik na kami ng Manila area pero magko-coffee kami sa Rizal later. Nandito kami sa SLEX, part ng Santa Rosa, Laguna.
2 hours later.
At bago nga matapos ang aming araw ay dumaan muna kami dito sa isang coffee shop sa Taytay, Rizal. Pagkatapos nga nito ay hinatid na namin ni Madam Claudia si Paul dahil taga dito rin lang siya sa Taytay.
So bye guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next ganap.